Using Cavaletti pose is an active range of motion exercise, which means the patient actively moves their joints, relieving stiffness and improving flexibility through use of muscle contractions. Because of these contractions, they also act as a strengthening exercise for the limbs and also the core muscles. They assist with proprioception, which is knowing where the feet are in relation to the body, and coordination, so also assist dogs with neurological issues, as well as the common orthopaedic ones like arthritis and recovery from surgery. There are a couple of different ways to advance the exercise, and it's best to try one at a time before attempting more than one idea together. The first is to increase the height of the poles, which increases the flexibility the patient has to place through the joints as they move over the poles. Then it's an idea to add more poles and decrease the interval between the poles, which makes it more challenging for the patient as they have to coordinate their movement and pick up their limbs as they move over the obstacles. It's easy enough to get a hold of a set of poles by ordering online, but if you want to start straight away, broom handles like this do the trick and can be raised higher using books to prop them up underneath. If we slow down the footage, we see the real benefits of the exercise as the shoulder flexes in order to clear the poles and then extends as the limb is placed. The elbow flexes into over 90 degrees to clear the higher poles, and the hip and knee joint are flexed at the same time to clear the poles, and then the hip extends right behind as it's placed behind the pole. So really good all-round conditioning exercise for improving range of motion and flexibility through the joints, as well as offering the strengthening benefits at the same time. Never fear, Izzy was well rewarded for her efforts today.